Hello everybody, welcome our students in this lecture of our course Electrical Power Distribution. In this lecture, we will talk about the types of lamps and luminaires. So here, the first question is that, what are types of lamps? The first type is the incandescent lamp, and this is the incandescent lamp here. And its properties is that it have low service life, so its life is low, and it have high power consumption as it consumes high power. So it consumes high power as it emits high amount of heat, so it will emit high amount of heat also. So the second one is the halogen lamp, and this is the halogen lamp, and its properties is that it consumes lower power than the incandescent lamp, and it have a warm life, so a warm light, so its light is warm, and it emit a high amount of heat, so it also emits high amount of heat. The third lamp is the fluorescent lamp, and fluorescent lamp have two sizes. The first one is 60 centimeter, so its power is 18 watt, and the second one is 120 centimeter, and its power is 36 watt. So these are the two sizes. This is the smaller size and this is the larger size. The fourth one is the compact fluorescent lamp, and this is the compact fluorescent lamp. But the compact fluorescent lamp have a disadvantage as it make a deformation of the sine wave. So our source sine wave will be on this shape like this red one, but it will make a deformation or distortion to this sine wave. So the sine wave will be like this green one. So this distortion is called the harmonic. So this harmonic is dangerous, or it is dangerous. So this is one of disadvantage of compact fluorescent lamps. The fourth one is the LED lamps, and this is the shape of LED lamp, and these are other types of LED lamps. LED lamps have low power loss, so it have low power loss in heat or in other thing, and it have high power factor, so its power factor is about 0.92, so its power factor is high, and this is a good advantage, and it emits high amount of heat. So the disadvantage of this LED lamps that it emits high amount of heat. So the 18 watt of the fluorescent lamp will be equivalent to 9 watt of LED lamps, and the 36 watt of the fluorescent lamp will be equivalent to the here 18 watt of LED lamps. So this means that it consumes lower power than the fluorescent lamps. So LED lamps consume lower power of fluorescent lamp, so it may be the half power of fluorescent lamp. So this is one of the most advantages, or one of the most good advantage of this LED lamps. So it consumes the half power of fluorescent lamps. And here we want to know what are types of mounting luminaires. So how can we mount the luminaires? The first one is the surface mount, and here is the surface mount, and here is another shape, and this is also the surface mount. So the surface mount will be when the frame is out of the room ceiling. So when the frame is out of the room ceiling, this is called the surface mount. And the second one is the suspended mount. So the suspended mount is here, and like this one, and like this one also. So the suspended mount is to be when the luminaire is suspended with wires here from the ceiling. So when the luminaire is suspended from the room ceiling. The third one is wall mounted. And wall mounted is like that and like that and like this one also. And wall mounted is when the luminaire is mounted on the wall of the room. The fourth one is the down light. And this is the down light here, like these lids here or these luminaires. And this is here luminaire or lid for downlight, and this is another one here. So it's used specially for spots. So downlights is used specially for spots or for luminaires which like as spots. The sixth one is the recessed mounted, and this is a type of recessed mounted, and this is another type here. So the recessed type is only when the surface of the luminaire will appear. So when the frame or the shape of our luminaire is into the ceiling and the surface only of luminaire is appear from the ceiling, so this condition will be the surface mounted luminaires or the recessed mounted luminaires. So it was our lecture today. Thank you for watching and see you next lectures.